Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Ciao. How are you? Good. Good. Hello. Yes, very well. Enjoy.
Thank you to all of you for being here, and I'm sure it will be a very interesting evening. Let me please give the word to Natasha, who will make the introduction of this event. Thank you, and have a nice evening.
It's a special pleasure to me to be here today, because I've known half of this couple who will be presenting this from the first day, that is Tiasha, when she started dancing. And I think it's nothing better for somebody who is in dancing than to see young people who develop into great dancers, and you see the potential in them, which are now starting to realize to develop into great teachers, lecturers, and people who will change our dancing in the future. And I think a lot of dancers of their generation will make very important changes for dance sport.
I mark you down because you are losing the character of the Venice Waltz. This is awful. You should burn these things that you are doing, because people doesn't know how to dance 1, 2, 3 of natural turn, and you are doing something crazy. Say, this is terrible. Imagine what could be as a floor craft. Said, why? The other dance is not the same, quickstep is not the same. Okay, many times we crash. So, if we will be also in Venice Waltz, but we will not. If we take the basic syllabus, okay, and as we used to dance the natural turn and reverse turn and the flacker with the changing step, which was the design that normally couple create on the floor, was, we can say, quite simple. If I start in this line of dance, I continue to move in the same line of dance. When I arrive in the corner, I should cut the corner through, of course, a natural turn. I continue on the short line, cut in the corner, long line, cut the corner, short line, and cut the corner. When a couple arrive too much close to the corner, of course, they risk to step on the feet of the judges. And the judges, we know exactly, they hate this. So if the music is constant, if the speed is constant, the movement of the couple around the floor should be constant. So in the moment when the couple cut the corner with the natural turn, the movement should be continuous, the length of the step should be almost equal, only the amount of turn, of course, is slightly less because the corner cut a little bit of amount of turn. So Paolo and Silvia, all of you know them. So they will show you very slowly the first example. So they will dance only natural turn, okay? When they arrive in the corner, they will cut it, and they will do the same job in every 4 corners. Okay, Paolo, you can start. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, cut, 6, 7, line of dance, 1, cut, bravo, line of dance, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, cut the corner, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cut the corner, and so on, so on. So this actually is what, thank you very much. So this actually is what a couple should dance, should practice when they practice only natural turn. In this way, they will not lose the power, the speed, the movement, and if they don't go too much into the corner, they don't need to slow down, and then of course they don't need to restart the movement for the next line of dance. On the other side, you can see the design that a couple should make when they dance only reverse turn. So dancing the reverse turn, we already know this. Dancing the reverse turn in corners increase the amount of turns, so the couple should go in the short line like creating a curve. In this way, for the same reason, they will not stop the movement, they will not decelerate their speed, and the length of the step will be the same. So I ask now Benedetto and Claudia, thank you very much. So Benedetto start, of course, in only reverse, okay, line of dance, and he will dance the first long side, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Start to curve to maintain the same movement, the same speed, the same amount of movement around the floor, also in the second corner, in the third corner, and so on, so on, so on. So this is actually what until now we used to see when couple dance natural and reverse.